हेलो, मेरा नाम है अंजन प्रताप सिंह. आई एम ए स्टूडेंट हियर एट सिविल गुरुजी. तो yesterday we studied estimation and costing. So let's begin by the definition of the same. What is estimation and costing? It is the process of calculation of quantities and cost of various items in connection with the construction of projects. So we require certain things to do a proper estimation. It requires the layout plan of footing and column, ground beam detailing plan, ground floor plan, slab beam detailing plan, flooring plan, staircase detailing, door and window elevation, and other drawings. Before proceeding, we will be requiring some formulas, namely volume, area, enumerated quantities, running meter, and mass. These are the various formulas we will be requiring. First is volume, that is length into breadth into height, and its unit is meter cube. Second is area, that is length into width, length into breadth, or whatever you call it. That is unit is meter square. Enumerated quantity, basically bricks, we calculated it as per numbers and pieces, and its unit is each. Running meter, it is the length of it is a straight length in a given scale, and its unit is in meter. And mass, volume into density, and its unit is in kg. Estimation involves estimation into schedule of rates, also known as SOR, BOQ, bill of quantities. These are following terminologies we will be requiring. SOR stands for schedule of rates, BOQ stands for bill of quantities. Now we will be proceeding to the steps involved. The first step involved is site cleaning. We will have to take the entire area of the plot, that is length into breadth. Alongside, we have to add 1 meters in each of the dimensions. This is as per CPWD norms. This process involves cleaning of any types of waste, grasses, vegetation, etc. And this is to be done before we start anything. Next process is excavation. This involves excavating the column layout area we had previously marked, and for its area calculation, we have to add, before we add calculating its area, we have to add 0.3 meters on each side for the purpose of the labor to get down and work there. We can use various tools, explosive or equipments to do proper site cleaning. Next process is sand filling. First, we have to fill the excavated site with sand, and to calculate the sand filling area, we need to calculate the sand filling volume. For its formula is the same as that of volume. It will be same as that. The length and breadth will be same as that of the excavating length and breadth. But height, we have to take 4 feet 4 inches to 8 inches, or that is 100 to 200 millimeters as per the CPWD norms. Next process is the adding of PCC. Okay, before that we need to know why we need to add sand. The foundation soil may contain some contaminants which are harmful and corrode the structure. The sand filling is provided to help avoid the concrete directly touching the soil surface. We could also use crushed sand instead of river sand. It also helps during seismic activities such as earthquakes. Now we will be moving to this PCC layer. This PCC layer, we can calculate the volume by adding length, breadth into height. It will be same as that of excavated area, and the height, the depth of the PCC area will be between 4 inches to 6 inches, that is 0.1 meter to 0.15 meter. It provides base for footing. It helps ensure uniform cover to rebars, uniform transferring of loads to base, and avoid wastage of concrete. Now we will calculate the volume of this portion, also known as trapezoidal footing. This has two parts, namely one, you have a rectangular part, and now the upper part is a trapezoidal part. Before we will be calculating the volume of the same. Before calculating that, we need to calculate the area of this. I will be telling you the formula for the same to calculate the volume. First we need to calculate the volume of this, first we need to calculate the part of this rectangular portion. We will be adding the length that is given in the, that is, for example, this is the F1 footing. We will be taking the length of the F1 footing itself. So that is 1.8 by 1.8, and its depth is 250 meters. That is 0.25. It's 250 millimeters. That is 0.25 meters. Next, we will be calculating this part. This is the trapezoidal part. First, we will be dividing the depth by 3. Depth given here is 0.15 meters. A1 is the area of this triangle, of this rectangular base. Plus A2 is the rectangular, is the length of this trapezoidal portion, of this top of this trapezoidal portion. That is given in the plan, that is 0.6 into 0.45. That is from the addition of the 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, and this is we are calculating extra. These are the proper dimensions. We are adding the 100 millimeters of on each side as given in the, as per given in the column plan. So we will calculate the area plus root over of the same. Any questions?